Jumped out of bed today to blue skies and sunshine. So me have to give thanks for life. Although the road rough sometimes, still no complain or me gracious. Enough man did me wake up. Me not dumb, me not blind, me not deaf, me not cripple. No my bone them not break up. So there is no complaining. Judge I give thanks to the sunshine.
Who's here? Come on, say hi. Say hi, Pops. You know, say hi. Oh, do your face. Alright, here. You guys. With my nephew. I'm with Kamari. Say hi, Pops. You want to see all the stuff that Auntie brought for you? Hmm? You ready to take a nap? You look so nervous. Hi, Kamari. Why you look so shocked? You like your toys? You like your toys, Pops? You're such a handsome little boy. Oh my gosh, look at my nephew. Look at Auntie's one baby. Auntie's one bug. Auntie's one baby. Auntie's one baby. Auntie's one nephew. Look at Titi. Look at Titi. Hi. Look at Belly. Kamari. Say hi to me. You talk to me more on WhatsApp call. What is on your mouth? It's just gonna be me and you this whole vacation. Okay, Pops. Okay, Pops. Okay, Popsy. Okay, Popsy. Okay, Popsy. Everybody have nephew, and me alone have nephew. No, I have nephew. Nobody can talk to me. Nobody can talk to me. You're playing with your phone, and you have a whale, or is this a dolphin? Now what is this? One next fish. Now what is this? A turtle. Wow, that's a turtle. It's green like your shirts. Yes, it are. You like green? You like the dolphin? No? Okay. You like the fish? You like the fish? No? Okay. Just like the turtle. Okay. Alright, Pops. Anything you say? Yeah, they're done. Okay, say bye. Kamari. 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 Say bye. Say bye-bye. Oh. I feel like I want to take a nap. Yeah, Kenna's at work, Tajil's out here. Daddy is busy. So it's just me and Kamari at the moment. It's like when I went to go pick him up, he was literally sitting right at the door, like waiting for me. Because I had told Kenna I had been up there by like 12:30 because she left him with somebody. And yeah, but I got here late, so he was literally right at the door waiting for me. Like, that's my pop. That's my popsy poops. That's my nephew. That's my baby. That's my baby. I'm gonna take a nap and come back and talk to you later. Okay, goodbye. You fell asleep. You do, Sarah. Top girl. That's my auntie's baby. That's my auntie's baby. That's my auntie's baby. That's my auntie's baby. Mwah. 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 Here's your turtle. You want your turtle? You want your turtle? Here. Here's your turtle. Take your turtle. Take your turtle. Let's change your bum. Let's change your bum. But that bum needs to change. That bum needs to change. That bum is stinky. Wow. Wow. Kamari. Wow. 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 Don't pee on me, okay? Don't pee on me. I slap your bum. You don't pee on me. Hey, boy. Hey. 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 Kamari? Are you gonna pee? Boy! You're peeping me up in here today. I forget that you are a boy, oh. Hey, take your hand out of there. 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 You love the madness, don't? Yes, you love the madness, don't it up? Don't it up? You love the madness, oh. Maybe, you don't gotta worry about me. You made it clear that you're unhappy, yeah. Go ahead and have your fun now. Just remember what goes around comes around. And I can't even lie to you, that's my head up. I'm looking in the mirror, disgusting with myself. Like the girls you like on Instagram. Yeah. Pour back some actually. You see food and jump up, eh? You're just like your mother. Come. No more clothes today, nice something.
I don't want you to leave, I just want you next to me. It's so easy for you to make my day. Looking at that smile up on your face got me feeling some type of way. Girl, I'm missing your energy. I wish you were mine again.
Huh? Yes. Yes. You're gonna walk for me? You're gonna walk for Auntie? Huh? You gonna walk for me? Come. Let's walk. Come now. Let's walk. Come. Wow. Whoa. Come, let's walk. Wow, Kamari. Wow. You're a big boy. Yes, you are. Come, come. Wow. 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 Why? 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 Oh gosh. Okay, make me go cool this for you. Cause it's hot though. It's hot. It's very hot though. Say bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye. We just had a crawling lesson. Kamari. 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 Hi. Kamari say we the van back and van back so we talk through. Yeah? Oh my god, I still can't believe it, you guys. I'm in Jamaica. Whoa, like his bomb is literally on the ground. Daddy, say hi. Say hi. You almost killed somebody. Oh my god. This little boy, like. Action pack, some man out there full enough shotgun. Enough of them says so. Hey, enough of them says so. Kamari. 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 You guys can see his face. Hold on. Love, man. Van Back Chronicles. Hey. Now you want to turn around? Huh? Look at my head. You know, imagine what the back of it looks like. Oh, Daddy, that's what you wanted it for? That's what you wanted it for? Oh. But I'm gonna this. I don't know good. I don't have anything anymore. Come at edge, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Wow. I didn't know what you wanted it for. You just asked me how much of that I had. I thought you were buying my dinner. I was gonna say, Daddy, come on. I could swipe. Listen, I cannot breastfeed. Okay? Take your hand out of my boob. He's like, just a while ago in the bed. Like, I don't know. No, mine were not built for that. Yeah, okay, sir? Sorry, I can't help you out there. That's what porridge is for. Porridge. And what kind of body you have now? Porridge and breast milk body touch. They were not spoiled, we were just loved. Very, very, very good. Right? Thank you. Man out there full of tough chat, but enough of them staying down. You okay, Popsy? You okay, Pops? Look at Auntie's busy. This is the highlight of my trip right here, you guys. Like, anyway, so this is day one. I don't know if I have anything planned for later. I linked what out there? I linked Shanko and showed him I'm here. So, oh my god, look at my shoes are ruined up already. So I don't know if we're gonna do anything. Probably go dead end or something like that. Not 100% sure as of yet, but what I like to do something. I want to do something like every day, you know, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see if I go sleep. I just so bright. So yeah. yeah. Now we're at the square. Ow. Oh my god, my phone doesn't have the thing on it. Oh, Lord.